We're on the road again! Good morning! So today we decided to go hiking. It's Sunday morning. I woke up around 3:30 and I prepped a little, we call it baon, but in Tagalog. But in English, it's like a packed lunch. So I decided to make some big sushi this morning. And I'm gonna whip up some kimchi fried rice, which should take me about 10-15 minutes. By the time it's done, kids are done getting ready, then I'm usually the last one to get ready. So we did pre-pack last night, but you can't really make the food the night before, so I had to wake up a little bit early. We were supposed to go yesterday, but the weather was really bad, scattered thunderstorms, so we decided to go today. And we're heading up and exploring our backyard. We'll show you guys what it looks like and see you guys later. Good morning! What time is it?
It's like
6:09. 6 a.m. Sun is rising. Anybody know where we are headed? Sandbanks. Before that, hiking somewhere. We don't know. Not yet.
Wow, the roads are empty.
Wow, the roads are empty. Sunday morning. No one on the road.
Sunday.
Finally, with my Delival and his long hair. Long hair, don't care.
This is what the coronavirus did to me.
It actually has never been this long ever since I've been with you. Ever.
Yeah.
I've never seen you with this much hair. I've never seen him with that much hair.
So we're just walking here in this amazing trail. Sunday fun day, you know what I'm saying? We're going to this suspension bridge. It's a really cute spot here in the east, all the way up Brighton, I think it is. Yeah, you can hear the water. Nice. Wow.
Hello everyone, we are at the suspension bridge at
Ferris
Provincial Park.
This bridge is shaky.
Yeah.
You ready? We've never been on a suspension bridge, right?
What exactly
It's suspended. It has no support at the bottom. So it's... And you got your view on this side. And you have your view on this side.
Yeah, right. Oh yeah, there's little fishes. What? Oh, look at the big ones right there. It's growing right there. It's nice. This place is really cool. So you gotta be really careful when you're standing here, because at any time this place could be flooded. And if you're standing all the way over there in the middle, you're gonna get squished by the water. So it's a nice spot out here. Sunday. Now we're heading to Sandbank. We just want to get out a little bit, you know, enjoy the sun, the weather, bring the kids swim a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Lately we've been needing that. It's been a lot. It's been a long time, you know, at home, and we're tired of staying home, so we're just trying to go somewhere and enjoy. Look at this, man. Nature is amazing. What?
And ta-da! Look at our farm.
We're chilling at, oh, look at the little fish. We're chilling at the beach today. Oh, the water's cold.
Hi, Gigi! So the way back, we decided to take the shore way because look up that, we have to go up and down the dunes to get to our car. I think that was the hardest thing about coming here, right, honey? Yeah. But we did get an amazing spot. Oh, sorry. But we did get an amazing spot at the very end of it. And it was just us, so it's perfect. So I think it was worth going up and down the dunes. The water, it's okay. It's not super clear, but it's clean. But we had really good weather. Water was cold though, yeah. The breeze was cold. But like as you can see, a lot of people.
The water's actually nice here.
It's nice, right? It's nice now.
Now it's making lots of waves.
Yeah, because on the way here you have to go through like a narrow path of plants and trees and go up the sand dunes and down. And we were carrying food and the 2 inflatables, right? Going back is a little easier, but we just have more things. Oh, that's cute, yeah. Little sand dunes though. One of our our little boat had a hole in it. And this is like where we came from. It's so warm, right? Where's our boys? Where's our boys?
Where did they go?
Where did they go?
They went straight. They have to go that way.
Which way?
You have to go that way because over there you can't go.
Oh, you can't go.
You can.
Oh yeah, they went through that way, over there. You can't go that way. You can go this way. Yeah.
Oh, it's cold here. Oh.
But overall, 2.5 hours, 3 hours drive to Prince Edward County. Not too far from the Toronto area. It's not too bad, not too shabby. I think it's cute. There's a lot of cottages, a lot of people boating.
Yeah,
It's nice. It's a nice area. Nice little neighborhood we explored over here. There's a lot of wineries too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was a nice spot.
Nice spot.
Nice spot.
Anyhow, well, that's the end of our day. Until our next adventure again. But I think it's a little deeper.
Is it? Let's go for one.
No, I think you can walk through. Let's walk through. Let's walk through.
Let's see. There's people going.
I think it's short. I think it's shallow.
No, don't do it. I don't think the girl walk there.
I saw them walk.
I see the girl walking there.
Yeah. They're going. They're going.
Huh?
Okay. Better short. Better safe. It's safer this way.
They're going.
No. Dito na lang. Let's go this way. Knee deep. No, this way. That's okay, Gigi. Next time. Hello. Sorry. All right. And that caps our adventure for this weekend, exploring our neighborhood. That goes, we'll end our day here, exploring our neighborhood. Thanks again for the love and the support, and just for taking the time to watch our little home video. Until our next adventure, ciao, thank you, maraming salamat. Until next time.